Today I'm going to be sharing with you a packing video. James and I are getting ready to head to Florida shortly to have our wedding. So it's time for me to start packing because I am not a last minute packer. This is probably going to be a multi-day video because I like to start early, but sometimes it takes me more than a day to either get things cleaned, plus I'll do like toiletries and carry on another day. I've done a few packing videos before, mostly of my carry-on, maybe my purse, but I don't believe I've ever done a pack with me full suitcase video. And this is going to be a challenge for me because one entire carry-on is just for my wedding dress, which is why I got new luggage. I haven't had new luggage since I graduated college. And then I got Samsonite suitcases and they lasted me a very long time. I mean, they're still good and still usable today. So I went with Samsonite again, except that I got the hard shell type. And of course it's pink, because what else would I choose? But mainly so when I bring the carry-on of the dress, it will be protected and not get smushed and all that. But because of that, I don't know, I feel like I have a lot to pack and not a ton of space to pack it in. I mean, I am going Southwest, so I could always take a second suitcase if need be, but I'm going to try my best not to have to do that, but I don't know, because I've got multiple shoes, wedding favors, all kinds of stuff to take, so this could be a challenge, and that's why I want to get a jump on it today. Don't plan to finish today, but at least I want to get a good chunk of the clothes and things packed so that I will feel better about things. So let's get started. And I had to keep Duncan out because he would be inside of this thing immediately, and it makes it rather challenging to pack when he's laying in the suitcase, so there you go. Where to begin? I don't even know. Do you like packing? Because I don't find it to be the most enjoyable task. It's exciting to think about the trip you're going on, but the packing part of it is not my favorite. It's a bit tedious, it can be a bit overwhelming, but let me know. Do you like it? Okay, we're going to take you out for now until I figure out what to do with you. This extra piece. I guess I'll start by putting in the shoes because I need to make sure that they fit. And these are just wedding shoes, not even the everyday shoes I need. Oh, this is a nice big pocket. I like that. Okay, shoes. While I'm at it, I should probably go get any other shoes that I think I want to bring and put those in. So that actually, I'm going to check with my mom because I think she got me some sandals and I might just use those while I'm there. Next up, bathing suits and cover-ups, a must for Florida. Also, let me know if when you pack you use packing cubes because I've heard good and bad things about them. I know they can make things fit so there's more in there, but then does your suitcase get too heavy? Let me know. Next up, pajamas. Unfortunately, being with family, I can do laundry, so I don't have to bring things to cover every single day because if things are dirty and I run out, I can just do laundry. So that's handy. Next up, the important socks, bras, and underwear. To try to plan my outfits for each day, including my travel outfit, to 1, try not to overpack, and 2, just make sure that I like the way that everything works together, kind of maybe be able to mix and match, that sort of thing. Got my travel outfit, jeans, because even though it might be hot that day, it's usually cool in the airport, and I always get cold on planes, so I'd rather have pants than shorts. And then t-shirt and something to go over the t-shirt, jean jacket for when I get cold. Plus this is a little bit heavier than, say, a sweater or something, so I figure it's better to wear it than to try to pack it. It took some trying on of various outfits and getting James' opinion for rehearsal dinner outfit, because while it's going to be a little bit more casual, I still want to be dressed up and he's going to dress up. So I know in my Stitch Fixes and things I've been trying to find something new, but it just didn't happen. So there goes my voice. It just didn't happen, so I went with something that I already own, but I was trying out different options because I had a skirt in mind, but I didn't have any tops that I liked to go with it. So we're gonna go with this navy blue dress, and then I have, in case I get cold, this pink sweater to go over to dress it up a bit. Almost forgot a hat, but now I'm trying to decide between everyday or more beachy. I'm thinking my mom probably has beachy hats, so I'm going to go with the everyday one. I've got some good mix and match outfits of tops, bottoms that could, multiple tops could go with multiple bottoms, so I think I've got a good mix here without going overboard. And then, of course, the ever important cardigans that I need every day, because whether it's winter or air conditioning indoors, I always need them. That's all the clothes I'll be taking to Florida. I still have a little bit of laundry to do, to wash like tank tops to go undershirts and stuff. But that's really all that's left for clothing. Everything else is going to be all the miscellaneous stuff, toiletries, jewelry. I need to bring my steamer this time around because there's going to be lots of stuff to keep ironed, and then carry on, which is in itself going to be a challenge because normally I take a backpack and a purse, but since I'm taking a suitcase as my carry-on, all that'll be allowed is my backpack, so that'll be another challenge for another day. But that's all I'm going to do for now, and I'm glad that I was able to get it done because while it's not my favorite and it's a bit tedious while doing it, it's always nice when it's done. Now that's one big thing off the list, and I've still got time to tackle the other things in the coming week. So I'll be back when I get to those things. I don't know if this is gonna be separate videos, like pack with me what's in my suitcase, then carry on, then toiletries, or if I'll combine it all into one video. I guess it depends how long it ends up being, so we will see. But thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. It's a week later now, and it's time to finish packing. Right now I'm going to be working on my toiletries, which I always find to be a bit of a challenge because they're things I use every day and I don't want to forget them, but I also can't pack certain things just yet because I'm going to need them for the next however long, next week or so. So it does make it difficult to pack some of those things early sometimes, but I'm going to give it my best shot, get as much packed as I can. And I got a new toiletry bag because I wasn't really loving the one I have been using for a while and wanted something that could be a little more functional, a little more organized. And I had been looking around, but some of them are so expensive, and then some I just didn't know if they would work. But Jessica Braun, who is on YouTube and travels quite a bit more than I do, recommended this one, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It was on Amazon, so I will link it below because there are very similar ones. Like there's another one I was thinking of getting, but she said she had tried that one, and for some reason this one was a little bit different and she preferred it, so I will link the exact one below for you, but it's meant to be a hanging organizer. What I like is that it has lots of pockets for organization, so I'm hoping I can fit pretty much everything in here. I will be putting my makeup in a different bag, but hopefully everything I could possibly need for toiletries will fit in here. I've tried to gather together what I can definitely pack. I won't be able to share everything with you because again, some stuff's just gonna have to wait until I don't need it, and I did find I have to get some travel items like nightly moisturizer because all I have is a big tub right now. But that's why I do these things early, so I know what I need to get and still have time to get it. So here we go. First things first, my face wash, which I have this travel size of, but it's handy because I just take my large bottle that I use all the time, pour it into here so I can take some on the go. Then I usually like to bring my own face towel because I like these microfiber ones, but also that way I don't get makeup on other people's towels, that kind of thing. Then I like these Almay makeup remover wipes. I had them in the past and just ran out, but they were a bit old, so I'm hoping that they haven't changed too much, but they work great, especially for travel when you maybe don't want to take liquid with you, to have something to remove eye makeup and all of that stuff. Then this hair product I just started recently trying, again on Jessica Braun's recommendation. It's the Color Wow Dream Coat, and you only have to use it basically once a week or every 3 to 4 washes. But I want to have it while in Florida because it's supposed to help with frizz. And if there's anywhere that I'm going to get frizz, it's going to be in Florida. And it's also supposed to make your hair shiny, so I'm hoping it will work well. Thankfully, it comes with a handy dandy little cap stopper here that you can put back on it. Then I was going to try to use a new perfume to kind of have a special scent for the wedding, but I didn't like the new ones I had from Replica, and I'm not going to go buy one, so just bringing an old standby of my Dossier Aquatic Coconut. It's a very nice summery scent that I do enjoy. It's kind of like the Replica Beach Walk. And then I have just a travel one here from Replica. It's their sailing day, which again reminds me, or I've talked about before, reminds me of cool water. And then I always need my eye drops for my dry eyes. Extra razor blade, but can't put the razor in yet because I'm gonna need it. Which reminds me, I'm also gonna need travel, either container or product for shaving products. So I'm going to pause a moment and be right back so I can write that down. Then, because of swimming, beach, sun, all that stuff, and the hair can get tangly, I'm going to take this Sunbum 3-in-1 leave-in to hopefully help with taking care of messy hair. Then you know I always need lotion, so I'm taking this travel size one from Bath & Body Works. The Pure Wonder, so I'll at least have something, and then I'm sure my mom will have lotions and things. And then I kind of want to take this, it's more of a shimmery lotion from Bath & Body, and I like the way that it looks on my pale legs when I'm wearing shorts and things, but it could add a bit of weight, so not sure how I feel about that. I was pretty set on bringing it, and now I'm thinking I might not, because it's going to take up a lot of space and add weight, and I don't know if I really need it or I'm going to use it. So, guess that's going to be a no, but that just made me think I should probably have a scrub of some sort. I don't know, I feel like I'm overthinking this as I do with many things. Definitely need my shower poof. Then I usually have an extra toothbrush that's not for my teeth to clean my retainers. Travel Q-tips, always a must. And we've got hair ties and a towel scrunchie. for the hair. Toothpaste, compliments of my dentist. Floss, also compliments of my dentist. Toothbrush, of course. Then I've just got my hair clips, hairbrush. Everything fit quite nicely, I think, as long as this shuts. And even still have this front pocket I haven't used, so that's nice. Handy dandy.